Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background in Zoom meeting on your mobile phone. So if you already had a Zoom meeting, you can try to update. If you not yet updated, you can go to the Play Store or App Store and try to update your Zoom meeting or Zoom workplace after the update. And how to change background, how to change virtual background. In previous version, you can try to change your virtual background, set your virtual background before you join meeting, before you start new meeting on the more or on the meeting settings. Here you can try to set your virtual background in here, but after the update, you can only set your virtual background when you start new meeting or you already join the meeting. So for example, let's start a new meeting first. Here, as you can see, there is a taskbar and you can tap more. In previous version also you can set or change virtual background in here, but after the update you cannot. So how you can change virtual background? You can just tap on apps icon here. Here there are some options. The first one is added virtual backgrounds. Now you can tap in order to discover virtual background for you. And now virtual background is powered by Pexels. There are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. And how you can set it? You can tap on the virtual background that you desire and just simple tap set background. If you encounter error, you can try again. Make sure you have a good internet connection and make sure you already update your Zoom workplace by the latest version. Also, you can make your virtual background blurry. Just tap three dots beside the search filter and tap on blur option here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.